Integrity. Crafting your personal code of ethics. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into an essential topic in workplace ethics: creating a personal code of ethics. Understanding and developing your personal code can greatly influence your professional journey, ensuring that you act with integrity in all situations. A personal code of ethics is a set of principles and values that guide your decisions and behavior. It's like a compass, pointing you in the right direction when faced with ethical dilemmas. Just as companies have their code of ethics, you, as an individual, can have yours to maintain integrity and make morally sound choices. A strong personal code helps you. 1. Stay true to yourself. It's easy to get lost or swayed by external pressures. Your code serves as a reminder of who you are and what you stand for. 2. Build trust. People are more inclined to trust individuals who are consistent in their actions and decisions. 3. Make difficult decisions. With a set code, you have a reference point to make decisions that align with your values, even when it's challenging. 1. Self-reflection. Think about times you felt proud or regretful of a decision. What values were at play? 2. List your core values. Identify 5 to 10 values that are non-negotiable for you. For example, honesty, loyalty, or respect. 3. Describe each value. In a sentence or two, clarify what each value means to you. 4. Prioritize them. While all your values are important, some will be more pivotal in decision-making. Rank them in order of significance. 5. Review and adjust. As you grow, your values might evolve. It's a good practice to review your code annually and make adjustments as needed. Having a code is one thing, but living by it is another. Here's how you can ensure you remain true to your code. 1. Stay mindful. Regularly remind yourself of your values. Maybe write them in a journal or on a sticky note at your desk. 2. Seek feedback. Ask trusted colleagues or friends if your actions align with your stated values. 3. Learn from mistakes. No one is perfect. If you stray from your code, acknowledge it, learn from it, and strive to do better next time. Crafting and living by your personal code of ethics isn't just about navigating the workplace. It's about leading a life of integrity. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of having such a code and has given you the tools to create one that resonates with you. Until next time, continue striving for excellence and integrity in all that you do.